This is how a clutch kit can improve the ride in your CVT transmission. And this goes for any CVT transmission. So we'll start with the primary clutch here. This is the base of a primary clutch on a Polaris Ranger 1000. So how it basically works is you have these weights that are going to fling out at RPM. Those weights are going to push against these rollers, and they're going to allow this clutch to open and close. And these weights determine how fast that happens. So with the clutch kit, we'll change these weights out. This is a Gilliman part with these aluminum adjustable weights. These are magnets where you can change the weights. So you can change how fast and at what RPM and at what force these fling out at. That's going to change your power curve. If you're going to want power low in the RPM band, mid-range, high RPM, high speed, low speed, that's all tunable with this kit. So we're going to change these weights, and then we're going to swap out the stock spring for the Gilliman spring. That's going to add a little more pressure in, which is going to raise the RPM required to get the vehicle going. What that does, it's like a high stall converter. It's going to make the machine be in the power band as soon as you take off. So you're going to have harder, faster launches. Moving on to the secondary clutch here. This has a helix. These rollers roll up that ramp, and that's going to allow this clutch to expand and contract, which is doing the same thing, changing your gear ratios. There's a spring inside here that we already swapped out for the Gilliman spring, and it's going to have the same effect as the drive clutch. It's going to change the RPM in which everything engages and at what speed that belt goes through this clutch. So it's going to have a whole new feel to it. It's going to feel like a whole new machine. They say it's actually better on belts because there's more tension on the belt, so it's less prone to slip. And it's going to actually feel like it has more power. And that's about the gist of a clutch kit and a Polaris.